Hello everybody, welcome back to our Blesse Performance YouTube channel. Today, I want to showcase a new product released by DIESELSITE. The DIESELSITE updated and upgraded high pressure oil pump system for the 2004 and a half, 2007, the standpipes and dummy plugs. So, when it comes to the standpipes and the dummy plugs, it's a known failure point of the 6.0 Power Stroke. Why hasn't Ford done any good upgrades? So, when they originally came out, this was a two-piece, well, still a two-piece design, but it wasn't a press fit. The design, and I don't have any more of them here, was originally for this to sit on top of this, and that's what provide the high pressure, take the high pressure oil pump out of the high pressure oil from the pump up to your oil rails. Well, obviously this point right here would leak quite often and cause a hot no start issue. So they updated it to where they have this slip together kit right here. Well, as good as that works and that's better than it was, there's still room to be improved on this, especially lately. If you guys have been in the 6.0 world for a long time or a while, you've heard of course, cheap China knockoffs, well, and you've heard of the problems recently that Ford's been having with their standpipes and dummy plugs, the O-rings that they're providing. Something has changed. Nobody knows really what has been changed, at least not to us everyday folk, if you will. What has been changed in the standpipes and the dummy plugs, the O-rings that are provided, but these have been failing quite often lately. Well, DIESELSITE saw a room to grow, room to improve opportunity, and bravo. Not only do they have the awesome adrenaline age pops for the early 6.0s and the 7.3s, they've got quite a few other products out there, and we love them all. This one I especially love, and this will go in every 6.0 Power Stroke from here on out in my trucks, and will be updated to be added to all of our package kits. It's a little bit more money, but the gains are dramatic. When it comes to the standpipes and dummy plugs, here's the Ford OEM one. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I haven't been able to get this apart, so I can't showcase this to you. But if you notice right here, there's only one O-ring. Well, we got the Viton and the plastic retainer right here on the DIESELSITE ones. Internal in here is the same thing, but you don't have that right here. Plus, if you look up here up top, kind of the same concept. All the way across the board, it's been upgraded all the way around on the DIESELSITE ones. Plus, DIESELSITE is using a Viton O-ring, which is, I'm going to tell you from my oil field days, is the O-ring of choice for all of your hydraulic companies out there. Not some cheap China knockoffs, not anything that you can't run and trust day to day. We only use Viton O-rings in the oil industry, and that was with 5,000 to 10,000 PSI of pressure. Well, your 6.0, it's only going to create like 4,500 at max in perfect condition everywhere. So, a Viton O-ring for that low of pressure rating is absolutely stellar. These are only like 40 bucks more than OEM Ford. So you get more O-ring sealing power with this upgraded design for 40 bucks. I'm gonna tell you right now, if you haven't done standpipes and dummy plugs in your truck one time or 10 times, I promise you, the first time you do it and you don't put these in, you're gonna regret, because they're gonna fail again. And you're gonna burn an O-ring right here, or it's gonna be worn down just a little bit, and if you had that extra O-ring sealing, that extra sealing point right there, it would last longer. So that's what the design of this is. The design of this is to make it to where the 6.0 Power Stroke can last longer and hold oil pressure longer, which is your rail pressure for the common rail guys, which is your rail pressure for the 6.0. You need that pressure to provide proper atomization, proper burning of the fuel, proper injection of the fuel, all of that stuff. It needs to be there. Check them out on our website today, blesseperformance.com. 199 bucks gets a set shipped to your house, your shop, wherever you like me to, your mailbox. $199 shipped. That includes shipping to your doorstep, essentially. And then you're gonna put them in one time, you're gonna be done. You're not gonna have to do this again in 6 months when the Ford O-ring fails on you, or the Align. The Line I haven't any issues with. Or the China one that you got on eBay for 40 bucks or Amazon for 50 bucks. I highly suggest running this DIESELSITE kit in your 6.0 Power Stroke. Give us a call if you have any questions about it, or if you're looking to improve the high pressure oil system of your 6.0 Power Stroke. 1-800-577-2698. Feel free to give us a call, shoot us an email, sales at Blesse Performance. Check out all of our social media accounts. We greatly appreciate you guys for following. Be sure to click like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Without you guys, we wouldn't have this opportunity to bring these new parts to market. We get the opportunity to sell them to you guys, to recommend them, to run them in our trucks, try them out, and they're in our trucks. And this is what we're gonna have in our trucks from here on out. So feel free to give us a call if you have any questions. Thank you and have a blessed day.